Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda CRV, that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the SRS module, guys. This is the restraint system, also known as airbag system. Stay with us, we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, but consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, they can kill you guys. So do not pull any fuses, do not work on airbags unless you're qualified and certified. For any of you that are qualified and certified, quick reminder, disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before removing fuses or checking airbag components. Number two, it's very important to know which terminal you're supposed to disconnect on the car battery first, which terminal to remove and which terminal to disconnect first. Otherwise, guys, you can burn modules, electronics that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now we'll explain which two fuses you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that, guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do, just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual, often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means, guys. But something else, guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers, guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people, guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing, guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses, guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here. Okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view, guys, of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the SRS module fuses, where they're located, guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda CRV. You have two different fuse boxes, but guys, now we need to open just one of them, and we're talking about a fuse box that's actually on the inside, right here, under the dash, on the driver's side, above the pedals. Look up, all the way upside down on the left side. You will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, here, which fuse we need to check? Two fuses. We're going to start by showing you have the fuse numbers listed next to the fuses, which makes it super convenient. The first fuse that we need to check is in that row, and we're talking about a 10M fuse, which is fuse number 3 right here, guys. That fuse will need to be checked here. Then you have another fuse that you need to check in the second row right here, 7.5M fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 29 for the airbag system right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.